Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How-To Workshop with the video that I promised you guys I was going to make to show you what my next project is. And this is the new bathroom demo and renovation. So basically I have all my stuff roughed in, my plumbing and electricals roughed in. This is the new tub that's going in right there. It's much lighter than the old cast iron one that came out. And as you can see, I've roughed in my plumbing that's coming in for the shower and the tub. So this is going to have individual shower control, individual tub control by adding these faucets here. Drain is also good and working. This is going to be part of the shower bar that's going to go up and down. And it's got that wand that you can unhook, and the bar slides up and down just like you see sometimes in hotels. And on this wall you can see I've put in all my blocking that I'm going to need so that I have a secure place to screw into with all my fixtures. And that right there is going to be the niche for the shampoo, conditioner. Here is going to be the grab bar. It's going to go diagonal like this, so that's my blocking for that. Up there, that's blocking for the shower curtain rod. It's also on this wall right there, that block right there. And if we span over here, this is like a knee wall that I'm putting there so that I'm going to continue with tile over that to that surface. And then the face is going to have just sheetrock here, but the top row is going to have the tile border that's going to go around also right there from floor to about 5 feet up, and then all the way across. And then this window is actually going to be replaced as well. And for this wall here, so the old fairing strips, obviously 3/4 inches thick. Well, I had to build the wall out by adding more fairing strip, another 3/4 inches, because the plumbing that used to be here used to come out of the wall and it was free. In other words, it was like outside. So in order to hide the plumbing that's coming down from the ceiling as well, from right there, and to be able to go inside the wall, as you can see, I put it through there in that corner, cut out a notch there, went all the way around. Now it's inside the wall. And here's my cold and hot supplies right there with the drain for the vanity sink. And of course, you gotta always make sure you put these metal plates over wherever the pipe is gonna pass by, so you don't accidentally screw into it when you're putting the sheetrock up. You can see that when I made my runs, I clamped everything with blocking right there all the way up. That way those pipes don't rattle when you turn the faucet on and off really fast. That pressure sometimes will make pipes rattle. This is CPVC. It'll absorb some of the sound, but it makes a nice, neat looking job. Also, here's my electrical with the GFCI outlet. There's a new 20 gauge 12-2 wiring, goes up, over, and then back up. This is going to be a what do you call it, medicine cabinet. It's going to go right there with a mirror. And over here is my drop for the toilet supply right there. Comes all the way down, as you can see. Same thing, blocked it, clamped. And then also over here, so this is one that's going to be for this toilet in this bathroom, and that one there goes to the toilet in the other bathroom. And I've made a new shut-off station so that you can isolate these bathrooms, and these are the main shut-offs right there also. So there's my hot here on the left, cold. So water supply comes from the garage area, Comes down over here first. As you can see, the arrows down, it goes back out that way. So if you ever have to work on those bathrooms for anything, change a fixture, you just come in here, and then right here in the bottom is going to be a little trap door. It's going to have like a little latch, so you just open that, reach up, turn it off, and of course everything's going to look nice, you know, nice and neat and tidy, painted and everything matches all the walls after it's all done. Also, here's my electrical drop. It's got two switches. The first one controls this light right above me, this can light right there, and the new over the vanity light, which is right there. Here's the old can I gotta rip out and patch, and then that used to be an old light fixture also I gotta get rid of and patch as well. So the first switch controls that. Second switch controls the new LED light and van right there, which is very quiet. 80 CFMs for a bathroom this size. It's going to be more than plenty. It's going to be perfect. So also you can see I did all my blocking for the vanity, because this vanity is going to be flush to the wall. So I have put a place where I can screw it into the wall. Right there, blocking everywhere to make sure that my sheetrock has a place to get screwed into. And also I put some blocking on the very bottom by the floor, so that when I come back and put my molding, my baseboard, I actually have somewhere solid to nail into with a pneumatic nailer. This door is getting replaced as well. This is a 28-inch door, I think it is. Getting replaced with a 32. Yeah, so it's 28, but it's going to be a 32-inch door going in here. The new 6-panel that comes with the molding, optional if you want it. So basically here, when I'm done here, I gotta cut out this, probably this one right here, so that the new framing for the 32-inch door comes almost to this stud right there. And I gotta put another stud right here, all the way down, fix that, and then we'll be good to go. So basically right now I'm just finishing up most of the framing, roughing, so I can go ahead and start insulating the wall. So this wall is going to get insulated with the 3/4 inch styrofoam with the foil on one side, and this being 3/4 inches thick, I'm just going to measure, cut, and put it right inside in there. It's going to be added, like I said, insulation for that outside wall right there. Keep this room nice and efficient. All right. Well, there you go, guys. As promised, video on what I'm doing so far on this project. The next video on this project is going to be the completed project. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notification of when I post new videos. Thanks, and catch you on the next one.